Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song written in 1966 by Fred Neil and released 2 years later. It was sung by Harry Nilsson in the film Midnight Cowboy, and it's called Everybody's Talking at Me. Everybody's talking at me. I can't hear a word they're saying, only the echoes of my mind. People stopping, staring, I can't see their faces, only the shadows of their eyes. I'm going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes, backing off the northeast wind and sailing on summer breeze, and skipping over the ocean like a stone. Going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes, backing off the northeast wind and sailing on summer breeze, and skipping over the ocean like a stone. The ocean like a stone. So this song was written in 1966 and it's made famous by Harry Nilsson's version sung in the Midnight Cowboy film. It describes the singer's desire to retreat from the noise of the city to a more peaceful face and an easier life. Harry Nilsson's version of the song became a worldwide hit in 1969, selling over 1 million records, reaching number 6 in the Billboard's Hot Million Records, and winning an award as the best contemporary vocal performance in 1969. It's been sung by many artists, including Fred Neil himself and Glenn Campbell. The movie is based on the hard-hitting 1965 novel by James Herkihy. I hope that's how you pronounce it, Herkihy. And it's got some interesting chord progressions and 2 possible ways of accompanying it in the right hand. Well, the song is in the key of C, and there's a very interesting little pattern of chords which is used a lot throughout it. It's a C chord, followed by a C major 7. In the chord box that's shown as a little triangle. Then everybody's favourite chord C6, no fingers down at all, and back to the C major. Now this little pattern, C, is used a lot. And you can play it either with the strums like that, or you can play it with a finger style, which is what I'm doing, and that's where the low G, I think, sounds quite effective. But it's up to you, whichever you found most convenient. So the chords are, everybody's talking, C major 7, C6, they're talking about me. I don't hear a word they're saying. Then it goes to a D minor. Only now we've got a chord which is a bit unusual. It's a G7, but the middle note, the second note rather, is missed out. So you don't play that first string yet. Then you play it. Of mind, back to the same pattern. People stopping, staring. I can't see their faces. Then G, B minor. Very effective that. Eyes. Then the middle section, I'm F chord, I'm going where G7, the sun keeps shining, C, sure, back to the same pattern again, but ending with the C7. I'm going F, going where that G7, but I close. F, back in off the G7, northeast wind, and C chord, turning on summer, A minor, F, skipping over the G7, like a stone, back to the same chord. Very interesting little song, and very effective too, I think. For the rhythms, when I play the chords as I go, I use this kind of rhythm. Or variations, but of course you can play whatever you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and found it interesting. If you do, please like and subscribe, and whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.